Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SteelSeries Arctis 7 Plus headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily set up Equalizer using your Sonar, everything. At first you have to open Sonar and here as you can see you have mixer, gain, chat, media, aux and mic. If we go for example in game, we can adjust our Equalizer using this everything we have or creating new notes. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. Here we can increase or decrease buff level, increase or decrease voice level, and increase or decrease treble level. We can do the same in chat, media, aux and mic. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.